Hi, my name is Robert Batora. I own a software company called Praying Bear Creations, which develops bespoke software. It's a small software company, and I've been running this for a few years now, and I use a certain accountant who has asked me to, basically gave me this spreadsheet template to keep my accounts and to keep my books. The issue with this is although it works really well in principle, my biggest problem was it's quite time consuming and an issue for me to actually keep up with the books on a monthly basis. So I developed a system that would simply allow me to go into my online banking, click a few buttons, and my Excel spreadsheet that I would then give to my accountant at the end of the year would be automatically populated. So let's have a quick look at the Excel spreadsheet that my accountant has given me to have a quick look at the format. So basically these are my transactions that come through my bank statement, and these are the dates that they went out. These are my expenses, and then they get categorized. So for instance, Teddy's nurseries as childcare vouchers, it gets categorized as childcare vouchers. My wages gets categorized under wages, etc. And I had to do all of this by hand initially. So I've now developed a system that allows me to do this automatically. This is my program. The first thing I have to do is connect to my business banking website, which is Bank of Scotland. Go into internet banking. I need to log on here, so I'm just going to pause the video while I log on so I don't show you my actual username. Okay, I've logged in now. I just want to take you through the tabs in the program. We have an Analyze tab, which at the moment is empty. We'll get to. We have an Advanced tab. In the Advanced tab, you can see that we have defined certain texts and mapped them, each line. So that one there maps to wages. That one there maps to accountancy. Teddy's nurseries maps to childcare vouchers. So basically these are the categorizations. So anything on my bank statement that has the words Teddy's nurseries in it will be put under the childcare voucher column within the spreadsheet. So anything that's got Teddy's nurseries, when I click import or get data or whatever it is, the total will be populated here, but it will also be categorized into childcare vouchers. So these are my automatic categorizations of the system, should automatically categorize for me. And then on my invoiced income tab within the spreadsheet over here under invoices, I'm looking for anything that says read business info, and that will be populated into that tab. And my non-invoiced income PayPal verification should get put there automatically. Right, so I'm just going to close the spreadsheet down because otherwise it'll try open it in read-only mode. And I am going to go back to my browser, and I'm going to continue in, and I'm going to go find my most recent statement on my account. That's it. Now all I need to do is click get data, and the system will automatically take all the information it has found since the last time it synchronized, and it's auto-categorized all of these things based on my Advanced tab. Over here it hasn't managed to categorize this read business information, which was an invoice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see why it hasn't, and the reason it hasn't is because the transaction has been put in without the space. So I'm going to save it here, so the next time I run the program it'll automatically categorize that and it won't mess it up. I'll go back into the Analyze, and you can actually see it's automatically picked that up now as invoiced income, which is quite good. My HMRC VAT, at the moment I don't actually have a category for HMRC VAT, so what I can do is I can go into the spreadsheet and put another column for HMRC, but at the moment, and that'll get picked up. So basically, all the columns in the spreadsheet have a direct one-to-one mapping with this. So if I add another column in the spreadsheet, it will appear in this drop-down box. So I could easily go into the spreadsheet, add another element for HMRC. But in this case, I want to show you. I'm going to put it down as other sundry. and I'm going to show you the fact that on other sundry you can actually put in some detail into the line. So this is HMRC VAT. Great. Now all I need to do is click done, and it says the transactions have been saved and categorized into my Autobooks spreadsheet. Excellent. So now I can go back to my spreadsheet, have a look at it. It says it's been logged. I'll open up it and read only, and lo and behold, everything beneath that last line has been imported into my system. So I didn't have to type any of this up. I didn't have to type the dates or the totals or even the categorizations. The system just automatically knew where to put them, which is absolutely excellent. The amount of time that this has saved me is huge. Additionally, it will have picked up my last invoice. Over here, this is a new invoice that is also picked up. So, for me, this is a tool that really works. I think it will help lots and lots of other people, lots of contractors, lots of people running small business that are running cash accounts can really benefit from such a tool. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.